Hi, welcome to this ALCI setup. While one machine is working very hard, I can play along and make a video. How do you make an XFC look a bit nicer, right? So we have an ALCI Zen that we've used from alci.online. Created ourselves this morning, and then it's up to you. Looks are so personal. So right mouse click, desktop settings. Let's start with, I don't know, another wallpaper anyway. And the squirrel. None of them are really nice. So let's just start with, yeah, you know it, variety. So -S, get variety in. Variety is there. Probably gonna be in my accessories or something. Variety. Continue. Accept. Don't want that, 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 don't want that. I do want Wallhaven. And give me something abstract, please. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. And change every wallpaper every minute. And how is that looking? That's better, maybe already. Close. Sorry. So then choose one. So you take next. Okay. And then you start pressing buttons. We start pressing buttons. Alt N, Alt N, Alt N. Nothing happens with Alt N. Why is nothing happening with Alt N? Because keyboard shortcuts. We love keyboard shortcuts. Add variety -N. Okay, press the key, Alt N. Voila, Alt N is gonna give me a next wallpaper, a next wallpaper. That's a nice one. Okay, so we got a nice wallpaper. Fine. Variety is providing me more and more and more as I speak. I'll get from time to time I do Alt N. Icons. Next thing, icons. Do I have AOR support, right? Do I have that? Well, this is sudo pacman -S. Ta-da! None of it. No support at all. Okay. So let's get support. I have prior installed some stuff. Firefox is installed before this. Simple Scrolling Recorder VLC is installed before, and that's about it, I think. And now variety there. So, internet. Icons. No. I need to have a AOR helper. Arch. Give me AOR Paru. I could take Yahoo. Sorry, Yay. I could take Paru. Tryson, I mean. I mean, choose, right? There's so many AOR helpers, and if you're wondering how many they are, type it in. Arch AOR helper. There is a page for it. Choose. Aura, Pacaro, Pacu, Pacoros, Rosen, Yay. Choose. And they will die, and there will come new ones, and that's life. That's how it is. So I need to go to Paru. Okay, Paru. View package build, download snapshots. It's what you want. It depends. Sometimes you only need a package build file, then you're in the clear. Sometimes it's more than that, and it's sometimes so interesting to get the tar.gz if yes, extract here is not done. Oh, what was it again? This is something that's far gone. This is something that's far gone. Which package again do I need XFC to do the right mouse click? sudo pacman -S. Lots of wind in the mic, sorry. But I'm gonna pause because it's not coming. So there are quite a few tools out there, but I think it's File Roller. So let's have a look. Height, that's what I want to do. File Roller. No, not FileZilla. File Roller. It's all about Lego pieces and know the names, right? extract here. Oof, the right one. Paru. So I could have just downloaded the Vue package build because this is not needed to build anything. Now make a package. Is that supported? Cargo. Could not resolve all dependencies. There was, I never use it, but there was some kind of switch, right? Some kind of option to download the things you're missing for skip integrity. This is an interesting tip. If you have key problems, skip that. Install, yeah, I want to do that as well. Sync depths, that was it. Install missing dependencies using Pacman. So SI would be a good thing to do. Minus SI. Enter, enter. Soon we'll be able to get our icons. Oh, because often the better icons are online. In the meantime, I'm gonna look for an icon name. It's just finished, so just came back. Paru is installed, and I want to install Paru Beauty Line. Beauty Line, I think it's written like this. Number one. No, that was number one. This is number one. And quit. Yes. In the meantime, I'm gonna pause this again because, but let's first set it. I want to include this one on the Arcolinks repos. So the icon is Beauty Line, close. That's done, that's done, that's done, and that's the look. Some of them are okay, some of them are not okay, and a lot actually are not okay. I rather include icon themes that have the feel of thought through, but then again maybe this is just working great on Plasma and not so on XFCE. So not gonna include it on the repos, but I'm gonna keep it for now. Okay, what else can we do? Wallpapers, Alt N, better one. So we got ourselves this, themes of course, themes, sudo, well actually Paru, I'm falling in love a few days ago, it's always with new stuff, right? Arc, there's an Arc Dark out there, a number 7, Arc Darkest theme Git. So I'm gonna install that thing, say yes, yes, yes all the time. It's quite a build actually, so we pre-built it on Arcolinks. What else can we do? Personally, I do like very much the menu. Why? Because I can't type. I really need to know where it is. I really need to type, I need to go through the menu, and it's a waste of time, it's a waste of life. So right mouse click, panel, add new items. The whisker menu should be default in my eyes, but hey, just an opinion. Move to here. This one then can go. Application menu is gone. Whisker menu can become a little bit bigger. And instead of icon title. So we are on ALCI. And that's good. Show category names, show application tips, show categories next to panel. No, I like it like this. Position search entry next to panel button. Yeah, that's down there. Size can be a little bit smaller. This one. So we go over here and we have our things. Nice. And then panel button, the background opacity. Love that. Love that. You gotta love that. You can see through there. And then panel button, done that. Wow, this icon is just a silly icon. Anything is better with Arch. Yeah, start here. Maybe this one. Arch. Behavior, commands, search sections. I'm just joking, of course. If you know me a little bit better, you know I'm all for Linux and not for Arch Linux in particular. It's part of Linux. So in that respect, I'm for it. You know what I mean to say, right? So home, file system, no. Trash, no. Removable drives, no. Okay, I'll keep my home for now. There we go. And I want to go to my desktop, I go to my desktop. Voila. What else? This. That's a panel. So if I want to get rid of that panel, panel preferences, that's panel number 2, minus, you're out. Click. Control T. So you know, you definitely need to do something about the terminal. That is not a nice terminal. apt-get, the CMake type. That's my adventure to Linux Mint. Now it's coming to haunt me in Arch. Oh my god. Plank is installed, but Plank will not boot, will not auto start unless I tell it to auto start. Where do you auto start things? By typing auto start. Yeah, that's good. Session and startup. And then here, oh, Plank. So next time when I boot up, it will have Plank running, and for now I'm just gonna run it with, what's all that? I really need to look through the menus now. Plank. So voila, there is Plank. How about that? So this is not a nice image, that's not a nice image, and you delete all the images that don't have a nice icon. So Alt N. Now the wallpaper, actually fitting to the themes, icons, all kind of colors, crazy colors. So I was looking for where is it, right? I never do that. I never go looking for things. Sudo pacman -s dmenu. I run dmenu. Yeah, I know it's strange. It comes from i3, actually from cycles.org, from DWM, but I can run it here too. I can go to my keyboard shortcuts, applications, add dmenu underscore, I think, run. Okay, and Super Shift D. Super Shift D is my Firefox. You see? So Super Shift D opens up at the top here a menu, and I just start typing the word I want, the application I need. Super fast, faster than anything any menu can give me. Click, and then where was it again? And don't know these icons, so this is dictionary. It takes me too long. Parole, you're out of here. Really. Sudo pacman -remove. Then my icon theme is better. Parole. Voila, that's gone, which means my menu here is a little bit better. Nice. Yo, LFTP, you're out as well. Don't need you as well. My menu gradually will be okay, will be looking better and better. Too bad it didn't create one for that. Well, we can add Numax maybe. Sudo pacman minus s Numax. Numax. Quite a bit of things, but the question is the icon nice? Unfortunately, no icon. Even Thunar. Enfin. So, icon themes, right? That's why Saturday and Servant are our own and we're in control. What else? Right, I think I've built, let's see, I think I've built my theme. Did I? Arc Darkest. And then the icons are that, fonts a little bit bigger. Actually, when we're talking about fonts, what do we have? Cantarell, bold, free mono regular, free mono oblique. Sure, never done this one before. Do we like it? We've changed our icon, our font. It's not that bold at all. It feels can be a bit bolder, I hope. That's better maybe. Yeah, that's wider. So we do have visually impaired people using ArcoLinux. So this is, I think, the one place to be, and in Plasma you can select all of them at once. Great tool there, so that everything gets a little bit bigger, bolder. You use the things you like. Monospace actually also a nice one. So monospace, bold, select. Nope, not a nice one. I thought that was a nice one. No, it's very light actually. Sans bold italic. I'm gonna go for italic today. Boah. Source code is also a beautiful one. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with this one. I can keep on changing, right? This looks good. Enfin, it should look good in your eyes on your monitor. And talking about monitors, you can change some stuff here as well, hinting. And I think we set it this way. DPI, guys, a little bit bigger. Becomes bigger anyway if you do it like this. Okay, can I keep it like this? So test and try that out for you. It's only you who can see if it's working. That's rather big, but hey, you need it, you use it. That's fun on Linux. Anything else, guys? I can start on installing so many software. And there's another wallpaper from Wallhaven. Thanks to Variety. So never just say, gonna remove Variety. Use it, right? It works for me. What wallpapers have I even more? That's a nice one. What? How about this one? This really, right? That's a nice one. I see something in here that many people don't know where it is. There's this border here, and that's XFCE window. I always need to take a guess. I think it's this one. I think I'm guessing right. Show shadows under dock windows should be off, and then the compositor is not making a shadow there. I can keep on having fun, but I have another project that's finished on the other computer, so I'm gonna leave you. But here it is, right? It's so customizable. It's so much fun figuring out and building everything up again from scratch. Yeah, the terminal, I could change the terminal. I could keep going on for hours, but that's not the point. We don't want to soil YouTube. But here it is. LCI. We have now a Zen kernel. We could use a Linux LTS kernel, and then it's entirely up to you what you do with your system. Enjoy.